Hey everyone, it's your side hustler, Teresa, back with another video. Are you tired of the daily grind? Do you dream of financial freedom, of being your own boss, of living life on your own terms? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's possible. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of side hustles that have the potential to make you a millionaire. With hard work, dedication, and the right side hustle, you can achieve incredible financial success. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and get ready to be inspired. Let's kick things off with a side hustle that's near and dear to my heart, freelance writing. You might be thinking, Teresa, writing really? Can that really make me a millionaire? And the answer is a resounding yes. The demand for skilled writers has never been higher. Businesses are constantly looking for compelling website content, engaging blog posts, persuasive marketing materials, and so much more. And the best part, you can do this from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger offer a fantastic starting point to connect with potential clients and build your portfolio. Set realistic goals, hone your craft, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. You've got this. Let's dive into the exciting world of dropshipping. This business model has exploded in popularity for good reason. It offers a low-risk, high-reward opportunity to build a thriving online empire. So how does dropshipping work? You create an online store, partner with suppliers, and market your products. The best part, you never touch any physical inventory. From fashion to home goods, the possibilities are endless. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up your store. Source products from all over the world through marketplaces like AliExpress. With dedication, dropshipping can be your ticket to financial freedom. Now let's talk about a side hustle that stood the test of time, real estate investing. While it might seem intimidating at first, real estate offers incredible potential for long-term wealth creation. There are numerous ways to dip your toes into the real estate market, from investing in rental properties to flipping houses for profit. One popular strategy is house hacking, where you purchase a multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. This allows you to live rent-free while building equity and generating passive income. No matter your budget or experience level, there's a real estate investing strategy out there for you. Hold on tight, because we're about to navigate the exhilarating world of stock trading. The stock market can seem intimidating, but with the right knowledge, it can be lucrative. Educate yourself before diving in. Use online resources, courses, and books to understand investing fundamentals. Avoid impulsive decisions based on emotions. Develop a solid strategy, diversify, and be prepared for wins and losses. With time and continuous learning, stock trading can build wealth. Calling all wordsmiths and passionate individuals. Blogging offers a fantastic opportunity to share your expertise, connect with a global audience, and generate substantial income. The key to blogging success is to choose a niche that you're genuinely passionate about. Whether it's travel, food, fashion, or personal finance, your enthusiasm will shine through in your writing and attract a loyal following. Once you've established your niche, it's time to create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your readers. Think informative blog posts, stunning photography, captivating videos, and interactive elements that keep your audience coming back for more. Remember, building a successful blog takes time and effort, but the rewards can be immeasurable. Have you ever recommended a product to a friend and wished you could earn a commission for it? With affiliate marketing, you can. This performance-based model lets you monetize your online presence, partner with businesses, and promote their products on your website, blog, or social media. When someone buys through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Choose brands that align with your interests and values. From Amazon products to software services, the possibilities are vast. Are you an expert in your field? Do you have valuable knowledge that you're eager to share with the world? If so, creating and selling online courses could be your ticket to side hustle success. Online courses offer flexibility, affordability, and accessibility, making it easier than ever for individuals to enhance their skills and pursue their passions. Think about your expertise and how you can package it into a comprehensive online course. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it incredibly easy to create, market, and sell your courses to a global audience. Whether you're teaching photography, coding, marketing, or anything in between, online courses offer an incredible opportunity to monetize your knowledge and empower others. In today's digital age, a strong social media presence is essential for businesses of all sizes. But let's face it, managing social media accounts can be time-consuming and overwhelming, which is where skilled social media managers come in. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for creating engaging content, scheduling posts, interacting with followers, and analysing data to optimise results. It's a dynamic and fast-paced field that requires creativity, strategic thinking, and excellent communication skills. Platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer can help you streamline your workflow and manage multiple accounts efficiently. If you're passionate about social media and have a knack for creating compelling content, social media management could be the perfect side hustle for you. Are you highly organised, tech-savvy, and have a knack for getting things done? If so, a career as a virtual assistant might be the perfect fit. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative support to clients remotely, freeing up their time and allowing them to focus on their core business activities. The tasks of a virtual assistant can vary widely, from managing emails and scheduling appointments to creating presentations and handling social media. You can often set your own hours, work from anywhere with an internet connection, and choose clients whose values align with yours. Platforms like Upwork and Fancy Hands connect virtual assistants with potential clients, making it easier than ever to find your niche and build a successful business. Last but not least, let's talk about print on demand, a fantastic side hustle that allows you to unleash your inner creative entrepreneur. With print on demand, you can design and sell custom products without ever having to handle inventory or shipping. You create unique designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, and a wide range of other products. Then you partner with a print-on-demand company that handles the printing, packaging, and shipping when a customer places an order. Platforms like Printful and Printify make it incredibly easy to get started with print on demand. The best part? You can experiment with different designs and products without any upfront costs, making it a low-risk way to test your creativity and entrepreneurial spirit. And there you have it, my friend, 10 incredible side hustles that have the potential to transform your life and set you on the path to becoming a millionaire. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, hard work, and a willingness to step outside of your comfort zone. But most importantly, believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your dreams. The world is full of opportunities, and with the right mindset and a sprinkle of Teresa-inspired motivation, anything is possible. Don't forget to subscribe to Online with Teresa. Now go out there and make those millionaire dreams a reality.